The art of crafting personal care products at home has seen a significant rise as more people become conscious of the ingredients they put on their skin. Among the many homemade beauty products, lip balm stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness. Not only does making your own lip balm allow you to choose natural and nourishing ingredients, but it also offers a satisfying DIY experience. The key ingredients in homemade lip balm are beeswax, coconut oil, and essential oils. Beeswax acts as a natural emulsifier, creating a solid balm that won't easily melt in your pocket or bag. It forms a protective layer on the lips, locking in moisture and shielding them from environmental factors. Coconut oil, known for its deep moisturizing properties, helps to soften and condition the lips. It is a versatile ingredient that enhances the texture of the balm and provides it with a smooth, pleasant feel. Finally, essential oils add a touch of fragrance and can offer additional benefits depending on the oils chosen. For instance, peppermint oil can give a refreshing tingling sensation, while lavender oil can provide a calming effect. The process of making lip balm is straightforward and requires only a few simple steps. First, gather the ingredients: beeswax, coconut oil, and your choice of essential oils. You will also need a small saucepan, a heat-resistant container, and lip balm tubes or small tins for storage. Begin by measuring equal parts beeswax and coconut oil. Adjust the quantities depending on how many lip balms you intend to make, but a typical small batch might be 1 tablespoon of each. Combine the beeswax and coconut oil in the heat-resistant container. Fill the saucepan with a few inches of water and place it on the stove over medium heat. Carefully place the container with the beeswax and coconut oil into the saucepan to create a double boiler effect. Stir the mixture occasionally until the beeswax and coconut oil have completely melted and blended together. Once melted, remove the container from the heat and let it slightly cool. Add a few drops of your chosen essential oils, keeping in mind that essential oils are potent, so a little goes a long way. Stir the mixture again to ensure everything is well combined. Quickly and carefully pour the liquid balm into lip balm tubes or tins. If the mixture starts to solidify while you're pouring, gently reheat it until it becomes liquid again. Allow the balm to cool completely before placing the caps on the tubes or closing the tins. This ensures that the balm sets properly and doesn't create any unwanted condensation inside the container. Once sealed, your homemade lip balm is ready to use. Store it in a cool, dry place to maintain its texture and fragrance. Whether you make it for yourself or as gifts for friends and family, this simple crafting venture reveals the charm of simplicity and the pleasure of using everyday ingredients for personal wellness.